Hey do-it-yourselfers, Bob here. Today we're going to install some Leitner load bars. Pretty good looking heavy duty gauge stuff. Interesting pattern design and very solid. So I'll talk about why I picked the load bars over like a, excuse the jet, over a roof rack. I'll talk about that once it's all mounted, but for now it's time to get the things off. Okay, so first things first, I got to get those roof rails off. Just the 6 bolts you can see holding them on there. And my awning is recommending 120 centimeters between the mounting points, which is the front one there and the rear one there. That's 120. So I'll be putting the Leitner brackets on the front and very far rear ones. So let's get. Okay, I guess I should talk about some of the tools I'm using. This is a T30 to get the bolts for these off. Torque wrench, I've got a 3mm Allen key, I'll show you that later. 13mm socket and a 13mm nut. Those are for the bolts for the rack itself. Okay, so I got this off. I'm going to put a piece of tape here, just sort of get a general idea of where it needs to go. Guess don't really need that, but I'm just going to make it easier before I put it back up with the new bar on it. So let me get that done. Okay, so I wanted to show you the inside of these things, what they look like. Padding, of course, and then plastic. But it goes into the, I'll show you the holes it goes into. Okay, so you can see what it looks like when the roof rails are off. I'll clean it up, mount the thing, and then put her back. Okay, to get these brackets off, it's a T20, so it's another thing you'll need. Just to do it. And then the middle section just pulls up. There we go. And off it comes. Cool. I'll get that wiped down and then throw in the Leitner part. Okay, so here's what it looks like mounted up. I haven't tightened up the little Allen key yet, but nice and sturdy along there. So I guess I can take off my marking tape now. So that's one side done. 3 more to go. Okay, so this side's done. Now next up, get the other side done, take it from there. Okay, got them all 4 mounted. As you can see, they're nice and close to the top of the roof line. So that makes it good, so there's not too much height increase. You can barely just see the other 2 poking up over there, but very nice product, very heavy duty anchors. Now it's just the crossbars to get on. Okay, so I got the crossbars in with the end points on. I just need to put the included Loctite and a nut. So I just need to put that on and torque it down to 10 foot-pounds, I believe. But interesting though, because the rear ones, the truck must curve in at the roof because these stick farther out, but yet both of these are aligned. So interesting. Anyways, I'll get the nuts and Loctite and get them done. Okay. Got the install all done and all bolted up. They look good, extremely tough and durable. Good for 300 pounds on road and 150 pounds off road. I think my awning's about 60 pounds, so shouldn't be an issue. I don't think I'll put anything more up here this year. Okay, so now that those done, I want to talk a little bit about why roof rails rather than a full rack. Excuse me. I really do like the factory rack, the Rhino one, but I have seen issues where because it sits on the drip rail, it bends the drip rail, and I'll show you pictures of that right here. The other reason is this year I don't think I'll be putting a rooftop tent on it. So it saves in weight. I don't really need that much stuff up top, at least for what I'm planning on doing this year. Do want an awning though, that's pretty important to me. The other thing is the Leitner makes nice products. They have a nice rack, but it does have an edge on it and then goes down from there rather than totally flat across the top. So that's another reason why I just said this year I'll go with the rails. If I need a rack in the future, it's definitely something I'll look into. But overall, great product, very sturdy. Next up is I've got the heavy duty brackets, so I'll get those on and then install the awning, Ironman 4x4 in this case. Okay, so that's the Leitner roof bar rail install. Hopefully that helps. Later.